Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add time to OBS live stream. So basically, first things first, you want to head over to this website called timeanddate.com, or you can just maybe head over into some websites like free HTML clock embed widget. In my case, I'm going to be using this web page right here. Simply once inside, you will be able to go ahead and customize your clock. So in my case, I'll just click on the continue button. And from here, of course, you then want to select your time frame. And once again, after customizing this the way you want to, you can just go ahead and click on continue once more. Click on continue. And from there, you will be able to get your HTML code right here. So let's just head over to the OBS studio. Click on the plus icon, and from here you want to select browser. I'm going to name this clock. In the URL, you then want to paste the HTML code that we have gotten. Click on OK, and from there we'll be able to go ahead and add the time into our OBS live stream. Now, if that didn't work, you can just go ahead and copy the highlighted web page right here with the HTTPS and with the end of the comma. From there, you can then go ahead and once again paste it inside. And then you will be able to go ahead and see your time right here. And so as you can see, if I go ahead and enlarge the time right here, you will be able to see it. Once again, you can just customize this the way you want to. And from there, you have successfully added a time in your OBS live stream. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.